today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a trim. I'm going to be trimming my natural hair. Honestly, this trim is overdue. I've been avoiding it because I needed more length. I know it's very hard to trim. I hate trimming my hair actually because I don't want to let the length go. I love length. Who doesn't love length? So basically today I had to finally let it go because I did a twist style recently and it wasn't good at all. Like, you know how it is when you do your styles and you don't turn out bomb because the ends of your hair are split. So basically I have split ends, I have knots, I have, what else do I have? And my hair is just dry and it's not curling up properly. It's just really weird and messy and matted. So honeys, what you've been needing to trim your hair is your hair shears. Do not use regular scissors because it's going to harm your hair. I learned the hard way, trust me. And also you're going to be using your wire tooth comb to detangle. Okay, so to start with this section, I'm starting with this section. I'm just going to take my wire tooth comb to make sure that it's properly detangled. I haven't detangled it before though. So after that, I'm just going to drag it. I'm cutting a whole lot today though. Like, I'm not even, you can see this. I'm cutting away all this away because ain't nothing stopping me. This is like 1.5 inch to 1 inch. It's going, like every split end is going. So I'm just going to take my scissors, my shears. Just going to hold it on that side. I'm just going to cut it off. So honeys, let me tell you how to properly trim your hair. So basically you just take a section, take a medium section, then you just comb it out, detangle it. I don't comb all the way through because my hair is thick, my hair is type 4 and it's not wet, so I'm not about to snag my hair. So then you just take your hand. Your hand is the main tool actually to feel where your hair changes, where it feels damaged, where it feels dry, where you have split ends. You feel that area, then you take your shears and you cut that area off. Don't spare those ends on it. Like if it's unhealthy, cut it off because they've tried enough. So basically I'm just going to do the same thing all over my hair and I'm going to come back at the end to show you. Basically what I do is just take a section, detangle the ends. After detangling the ends, use my hands to actually feel where the ends are weird or where it feels unhealthy, and I take my shears and I cut it off. Like cut it, and I'm just going to do that all over my hair. I'm going to get back to you guys soon.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
cutting it. So basically this is what I cut off. It's a whole lot. It's like a mini fro on its own, but baby, this thing was setting me back in my hairstyle, so I just had to let it go. Don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be doing a hair growth challenge, because I'm not going to cut my hair and not try to get my length back, because I really cut like 2 inches off my hair. I'm not cutting my hair. I've showed you guys how to cut your hair. You gotta let those ends go, sis. Like you gotta let it go, like for the greater good. Like my hair, okay, let me see. My hair was literally here. My hair was literally here when I checked my last length check, but now it's back to my shoulder length because I really cut it. I know I really cut it. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so you know when I post a video. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share to someone that needs to know how to trim their hair, because people want to know how to trim their hair. So have a very lovely week.